Refi, sometimes we wonder, like, first and foremost, how are the, you know, the members of the ship line, the crew, they can come up with real deadlines. In other words, first and foremost, when you order for room service, they come on time.
Mhm.
They bring you there are so many hundreds of guests. How are you able to do that? Does that mean that per room there is one or two people attending to your room and the guests?
This is mostly restaurant operations, but for room service,
Yes.
like when you make an order, they do have time to make the order, and it is assigned. So this is well coordinated. This is mostly not only for specific on the ship, but hospitality in as a whole, like cruise lines and hotel, we do have standards for this.
I see.
Mhm.
Yes.
Mm.
And I know that sometimes the ship docks early morning but leaves very early in the afternoon, for example, not even a full day. And there are some guests who would like to, do tours and perhaps will come late. Have you ever experienced a time when a passenger came very late and was not able to catch the ship on the onward journey? What do
Yes.
you do?
Yes. So we do experience that on ships. In a Samara, it's rare, but it happens. So in case a guest is not able to make it back on board on time, the ship leaves. On the process is we need to, if the guest did not bring their passport ashore, we need to find the passport and give it to the port agent. Then once the guest arrives in the port agent will assist in having the guest join the next port. Mhm.
Oh, and
Yes.
they're able to join the next port easily?
Most of the time, yes. But this will be under the expense of the guest because yes,
see.
this is not the cruise lines doing. So any expenses related to this has to be paid by the guest.
So if it's the island hopping, how do they get to the next port, for example? They drive them there or they get another
By
ship?
experience, sometimes if it's the same island, they drive. There was one time we had guests that took a ferry.
Really?
Some with flights. There are times that's why passport is important because you're gonna travel.
So you mean they get off the ship without their passports?
Because some ports, not all ports will require you to bring a passport when going ashore. Sometimes it's only government issued ID. So most of the guests, if that's the case, they leave the passport inside the safe. Now, if it happens that the guest is running late, so we first try contacting the guest to see where they are and if they can make it on time back to the ship. If they are not able to make it back on time, the security, housekeeping, and everyone will go to the room with a body cam to check if they have a passport inside the safe. And then once we get the passport, we give it to the port agent. And once the guest arrives in the port and meets the port agent, the passport is given back to them.
I see. So for example, it is in their suitcases, you're able to open the suitcases and you can also crack the safe open?
The safe, we have a way to open it, can be reset, but all of this has to be with the supervision of a security with a body cam because everything has to be documented because these are private property of the guests.
Yes.
And we're just doing this because we need to find their
So
passport.
it's very important tip, Rafi, then for people, and I notice some people just get their room key, etc. It's always best to bring your passport with you, right? For
Not all
any-
the time because
But
not
like those things.
not all ports. Just make sure to get back on time. That's the important part.
Right,
Yes.
that's right.
Yes,
that's
because
right.
some ports, depending on which part of the world you're in,
Yes.
if you don't require to bring the passport, it's better not because
Oh.
some areas there are pickpockets and you might encounter. It also happened.
I
So we
see.
had some instances when guests are required to bring their passport and they encounter pickpockets. We have to assist them in contacting the embassy and applying for emergency passports and those kind of things.
Oh, I see, I see. Thank you.